Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing this makeup look right here. This is the makeup look that I wore on my previous haul video, and a lot of you guys said, like a lot of you said, na gumawa ako ng tutorial, and I was like, napansin nila yung aking eye makeup. So, I decided to do the makeup again, and this time, I filmed it para makita nyo how I did it. I just wanna say na hindi ako makeup artist, hindi ako pro sa mga ganito. Alam nyo naman yan, if you watch my vlog, hindi ako nag-eyeshadow all the time. So, sobrang minsan lang ako nag-eyeshadow, and yes, I know, hindi ako magaling dito at all. That's why I don't do this all the time, kasi hindi ako magaling. Makikita nyo mamaya yung struggle ko nung naglagay ako nitong wing eyeliner na to. It was such a freaking struggle. But, I did it. Gusto ko lang siya i-film para makita nyo na kahit hindi kayo bro, like, you know, you can do it. If I can do it, I'm pretty sure you can do it as well. And also, lahat ng ginamit ko dito available sa Philippines. They're not necessarily locally made, pero available sila sa Philippines. Yung iba, mahal. Yung iba, online mo makukuha. Pero, again, lahat ng to available sa Pilipinas. So yeah, without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys how I did this makeup look right here. I'm gonna start with this iWhite BB Holic Everyday BB Cream. I have mine in the shade beige. Ililista ko lahat ng ginamit ko sa description box para makita nyo. And sa brush, I will be using this mushroom brush na nakuha ko from Prettyangelshoppe. Again, links will be below. I-blend ko lang yung BB cream gamit tong brush na to. Gustong-gusto ko tong brush na to kasi malaki siya. Tapos sobrang dense din niya. So, nabiblend niya talaga ng maayos yung BB cream or kahit ano, foundation. Maganda tong brush na to. If you're looking for a foundation BB cream brush, I highly recommend this one. And then, maglalagay ako ng concealer. Ito yung gamit kong concealer from Maybelline, yung mineral concealer nila. I am in the shade 02. Ilalagay ko siya parang V, ganyan, under my eyes. Tapos, maglalagay din ako on the bridge of my nose. Tapos, konti dito sa part na to. And then, dito din sa parang may baba. And then, I will just blend this using this paddle brush, yung maliit na paddle brush. Gusto ko tong brush na to kasi nakaka-blend talaga siya ng maayos, especially under the eyes kasi maliit lang siya. So, I'm just gonna blend everything. Maglalagay na ako ng powder. I will be using the Intuit, itong oil control, oil-free powder. Hindi ko na matandaan yung shade. Again, ilalagay ko yung shade niya below, but ilalagay ko lang siya dun sa areas na nilagyan ko ng concealer. Hindi ko muna siya i-blend kasi i-bake ko to. For the brows, I will be using the Detail Make Brow. Itong pinaka-light na shade. And then, I'm just using the brush that came with the kit. I already have an eyebrow routine video. Actually, dalawang eyebrow routines na yun. So, if you guys are interested, because it's pretty much the same, I'm not really doing anything different here sa brows ko. So, if you're interested, you can go ahead and check the videos. I will leave the link of those videos below. So, after ko siyang fill in, I also decided to use a spoolie sa inner part para hindi siya ganun ka-harsh tingnan sa inner corner ng brows ko. And then, it's time to apply the powder and blend in the powder that we applied earlier. So, I will be using this matabang brush na I got from Prettyangelshoppe as well. Yung powder na gamit ko is the Nichido Final Powder. I am in the shade Creamy Glow. Itong powder na to, I apply all over my face. And while I am applying that all over my face, blend ko na din yung powder na nilagay ko sa under eyes ko kanina, yung pressed powder from Intuit. I will start sa eyes na. I will put on this e.l.f. Eyelid Primer. This is, I believe, in the shade Sheer. I'm not sure. Again, it will be in the description box. But yeah, lagay ko lang siya sa aking eyelids. Both eyelids, of course. And just blend it using my finger. And then for the eyeshadow, I will be using the Nude 2 BYS eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna start with this light eyeshadow right here called Selfie. And I'm gonna apply that all over my lids para maset yung primer na nilagay ko kanina. After that, I will take this shade called VIP. It's a matte brown shade. And lalagay ko siya sa crease ko using a parang dense na blending brush, and I'm just gonna apply it on my crease like so. Ito yung ating transition shade, ganun. I will then take this shade called Guest List, para siyang may pagka-orangey na shade, and ilalagay ko siya sa outer part ng aking eyelid. dyan sa part na yan. And then, I will take the shade Flirt, and yan, i-apply ko yan sa parang inner part hanggang sa middle ng aking eyelid. You can see what I'm doing here, right? Yes, there. And then I will take this black shadow from the palette. I actually really like this eyeshadow, you guys. It's called Midnight. And ilalagay ko siya sa pinaka-outer part ng lids ko and kind of blending it inward. So, parang natatabunan niya yung orangey na shade kanina, pero not really. So, makikita mo pa rin siya ng konti. And then, for the inner corners, I will use the shade D Floor and just apply it on my inner corners like so. Para bonggang-bonggang shimmery tingnan ng ating inner corners, diba? And then, I'm going back to the shade Flirt and apply that on the lower lash line. And then, I went back to the Midnight shade and apply that on the lower lash line as well. And then, I went back to the shade Selfie and apply it on my brow bone para ma-lift ng konti ang ating eyebrows. Diba? This is the hard part, you guys. I will be using my Sansan waterproof eyeliner pen and line my eyes. This eyeliner though, ubos na siya. And it's so hard to work with kasi paubos na siya. Pero kapag bago pa lang to, sobrang ganda nitong eyeliner na to. Ilang beses ko na to na feature sa favorites video ko. Pero yeah, hindi ko siya nagamit sa kabilang eyes ko kasi naubos na siya. Parang hindi na talaga siya nagdo-drawing. Kaloka tong eyeliner na to. So sa kabilang eyes ko, ibang eyeliner na yung gamit ko. And I was struggling kasi hindi ako marunong mag-wing eyeliner. It took me like, I do not know, forever. Let's just say forever. And the struggle starts here. Paano ko to susundin? Di ko na alam anong gagawin ko. Like, pag ganun siya. Oh! Good luck. No. Not right. Nope, nope. I did not know how to do it. That's why I don't do this all the time, because it will take me literally 4 to 8 years just to finish my eye freaking liner. I think I did it. Yep, I did it. If you look like really close, it will be like, nah, hindi siya even, pero okay na yan. I'll leave it at that. And I'm using here my Maybelline Falsies mascara. You guys know I love this mascara and it is available in the Philippines. Perfect! I applied 3 coats on my upper lashes and then just 1 coat on my lower lashes. I will also tightline my eyes using this Color Collection retractable liner in the shade brown, I believe. Yes, and yeah, I'm just tightlining my eyes like that. Okay, this step you do not have to do at all, and also you do not have to use the Becca highlighter. But this is the only highlighter that I have right now that I actually like. So I'm just applying that on the cheek area, on the bridge of my nose, and then sa cupid's bow ko din using a big fan brush. Okay, so onto the lips, I will be using my Truelips lip liner in the shade number, I forgot what number it is. Again, ilalagay ko siya below. It's just a really pretty everyday color lip liner. So I am applying that all over my lips. For the lipstick, I will be using the Maybelline Colorshow Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Lively Violet. My gosh, I do not remember when was the last time I used this lipstick, but I love this, you guys. And it smells really delightful and delicious. And that's basically it for the makeup look. Yes! And that's it. Hindi naman siya ganun kahirap, right? Like, again, kung kaya ko, I'm pretty sure kayang-kaya nyo din yan. Kung gusto nyo itry tong look na to, take a picture and tag me on Instagram, diba? Bongga yan. May mga ganun, may patagtag pa talaga. Kung gusto nyo lang naman. Hindi ko naman kayo pinipilit. Pero, you know, if you like lang naman, we're in this together. Practice pa more together, you know? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know, gusto nyo ba tong mga video na to? Yung mga makeup look na ganyan? Again, hindi ako pro. Pero parang okay naman siya. Masaya naman siya gawin. Minsan lang naman. Hindi naman araw-araw ako magme-makeup kasi nga hindi ko kaya tong ganito. Dal ko talaga. Dami-dami kong sinusabi. Pero yeah, yun na yung video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And please do like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!